Hi students, good morning to all. Dear students, today I will discuss about your fifth standard, chapter number 2, addition and subtraction is there. Dear students, you learn about very easily addition and subtraction in your previous class. Addition in 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit, this one also here, very easy. In your fifth class also, addition and subtraction in 7 digits or 8 digits are here. Some example in your first exercise, write down. The first question is fill in the boxes with the correct answer. First question is what? Fill in the box with the correct answer, correct digits. I can choose first one only. First for example, second one you can do in your homework. One box is the next 6 is the next one is the next one box is the next 2 is the one is the next one is what? The next one 4 is the 6 is the box is the next 5 is the one is the 9 box is there. Next one 4 is there. One box is there. Next 4 2 box. Next 9 is there. 1 is there. 1. Therefore, our answer is these two addition is the answer. Answer is 4 8 6 1 7 4 one box is the 6. Choose your correct digit on the box. The first question is addition is this example is addition. First of all, addition rule is in the unit place. Second one is 10 place. This like is in your unit place. Addition of all these two 6 is there. Therefore, first number is 1. Next box is there, we don't know. You fill in the box. 1 1 plus 1 is 2 is there. But our answer is 6 is there. Which one is, how much is left? We know that only 1 plus 1 is 2 is here. Remaining how many left is there? 4 is there. Therefore, 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6 is there. Correct answer is 4. Therefore, next one is over. The next second one. 2 plus 9 is 11. 11 plus 2 is 12 is there. 12. Once again, 2 plus 9 is 11. 11 plus 1 is 12 is there. 12 means we can write 12. How can 12 write? First you can take 2 only. You can take carry 1. Carry 1. Again do your simplification. Your answer is 4 is there. Therefore, 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. Your result is 4 is there. 11. Total sum is 11 is there in the box. We don't know. In the box, which one number you choose? The total sum is 14 is there. Therefore, 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. You can choose 3. Therefore, 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 9 is 14 is there. 14 as it is. You can take carry 1. The next again simplification addition is there. Therefore, total sum is 7 is there. These two. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 7 is over. No problem. 7 same as it is. But in the box, which number is there? The number in the box is 0 is there. Therefore, 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 5 is 7 as it is. The next in this one, the remaining sum is 11 is there. Therefore, 6 plus 2 is 8. 6 plus 2 is 8 is that our answer is only 1. Which number you can put in the box? 6 plus 2 is 8. You can take 3 is there. Because 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11 is there. Carry 1. That is 3 is there. Next again put the number in the box. Therefore total sum is 6 is there. 4 plus 6 is 10 11. So you want 6 is that you can take 5. Therefore 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. Carry 1 again. 6 is there. Again the last one is the total sum is 8 is there. Therefore 4 plus 1 is 5. You can take 3. 4 plus 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8 is there. Therefore 4 as it is. Our answer is this like is that. In the second one you can do in your homework, in your exercise. The next one, second main exam. Second main. Second one, find the number which is 32,586 more than 87,65,432. The question is, find the number which is 32,586 is more than 87,65,432. Question is very easy. Find the number which is more. 32,586 is more than this number. Therefore, solution is the given number is 87,65,432 is given number. But find the number which is 32,856 is more. Therefore, the number is equal to 87,65,432 plus how much more is that? 32,586 is more is that. Therefore, 32,586 is more is the addition of these two. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. Next, 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. Carry 1. Next, 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. Next, 6 plus 3 is 9. Therefore, 87,98,018 is more number is the. But this is only addition is the. Find the number which is 32,586 more than this number. Therefore, this number is more than this number. Got it? Next, third one example. Third one is a chocolate factory produce chocolates. Chocolate factory produced 12,35,450 chocolates in January month. Next, 20,25,800 chocolates in February, and also 15,20,875 chocolates in March. The question is, how many chocolates were produced in 3 months? Therefore, this question is only addition. Therefore, total chocolates is equal to chocolates in 3 months. In 3 months is equal to total sum. First one in March. Sorry, in January, how much is the January how much is the 12,35,450 chocolates. In February 20,25,800 chocolates. The next in March is 15,20,875 chocolates are here. Therefore, total chocolates in 3 months. Addition of all these. Therefore, 0 plus 0 plus 5 is only 5. The next 5 plus 7 is 12 is the carry 1, 12. The next 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. 20 plus 1 is 21. Carry 2. The next 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. Carry 1. Again 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8 is the next. Therefore 2 plus 5 is 7. Next 3 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4 is the. Therefore total number of chocolates in 3 months is equal to 47,82,125 chocolates. 47,82,125 chocolates in 3 months. Only addition is there. The next fourth one example, that is last one. Therefore, last one is the population of 3 countries, A, B, C countries are first A country is 1,38,50,507 population is there. In B country 8,1,76,145 population is there. The last in C country 6,25,05,680 is there respectively. Find the total population of 3 countries. Total population is equal to total population is equal to sum of these 3. First one is A country. A country how much is there? 1,38,50,507. The next second one B country 8 crore 1,76,145. Next in C country 6 crore 24 lakh 5,680. The total sum, you can find out the total population, total sum. Therefore first of all unit place 7 plus 5 is what? 12 is there. You can take one carry, that is 12. Again in 10 place 4 0 is there. 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 30. Next in 100 place 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 1 is again 13 is a carry 1. Next 0 is the 6 is the 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 plus 1 is 12 is a carry 1. Next 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13 is a carry 1. The next one is what? Again 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 plus 1 is 14, carry 1. Again 3 plus 0 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6 is there. Last in this one 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. Therefore total population is 15 crore 64 lakhs 32,332 population is there in the 3 countries. Okay, dear student, you can practice in your homework remaining examples in your exercise. I shall continue next class.